Hi, and welcome to OctopusDo. I'm Christian Ross. Yes, I'm speaking a little bit faster because I have a quick tip for you. Remember that chainmail bracelet we did with European 4-in-1? If I can, I'm going to show you a 2-minute tip on how to attach this slide clasp. So let's get started. Basically, all we're going to do is take this jump ring, the open jump ring, and we're going to connect the end of the bracelet there to the end of the clasp. So the open jump ring goes there. I'm starting with the middle just to make sure everything's balanced. Grab the side, use my other pliers. There you go, nice and close. Give it a squeeze. Make sure it's locked shut. And there you go. I've got one side connected already. I'm going to do the same thing with the adjoining clasp sides. Here's one and the other. Now I attached all this with the clasp closed because I can't tell you how many times I've connected a clasp upside down on the other side. Connect the middle first so you know everything's balanced. Make sure the jump ring is closed. Last one. There you go, that's really all it takes. I'm sure you could have figured this out by yourself, but I figured as long as I was going to attach the clasp, I would show you how to do it. I really like how that type of clasp finishes it off. Hope you enjoyed.